Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine. We are believe that a great hairstyle is the ultimate confidence booster. Today we are exploring one of the most transformative hair trends of 2026, the blonde highlights of short hair. If you have been looking to brighten up your look without losing the chic edge of a shortcut, you have come to the right place. We start our gallery with the timeless sun-kissed Pixie, adding delicate honey blonde streak to a textured pixie cut creates incredible depth and makes every layer pop. It's the perfect way to bring light to your face and a youthful glow to your overall style. As we move through the collection, let's talk about the icy bob. For those who love a cooler aesthetic, platinum and ash blonde. Highlights on a blunt bob are making a massive statement this season. The contrast between darker roots and icy tips gives your hair a multi-dimensional look that appears thicker and more voluminous. If you prefer something softer, notice the caramel blonde balayage on chin length waves. This technique offers a seamless transition of color, giving you that just back from vacation that is both effortless and sophisticated. For the bold and trendy, we are also showcasing face framing money pieces in bright champagne blonde. This style focuses the highlights right at the front, instantly brightening your features while keeping the rest of your short hair low maintenance. Whether it's a shaggy mult and classic low or a edgy undercut, adding blonde highlights is the secret to taking a short haircut from simple to spectacular. Each of these designs prove that you don't need long hair to have a high fashion hair movement. Stay tuned as we recap the best looks and don't forget to take a screenshot of your favorite style for your next salon visit. If you love these transformations, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hair inspiration. Stay bright, stay bold, and stay beautiful. See you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.